Hello everyone, today I'm giving a demo of TurboSelect. Once you come to the TurboSelect login screen, you will need to enter your username and password if you already have one. If you do not, you will need to contact Turbotec Sales and Marketing to register an account. From the initial interface, you can review saved projects. To create a new project, enter the project name and click the blue Add New button. This is the information interface, where you can adjust unit settings and add notes to fit your stipulations. Click on the blue Add button to start the coil selection process. In the left box, you can choose different coil series from the application selection. You can also change the coil type to fit your particular requirements. These changes will affect the pre-populating values in the box to the right, or you can manually enter numbers into those boxes. Keep operating conditions the same. On the box to the right, you can adjust the application selector to see different results and find the products that suit you. When you have decided on the specifications you need, click on the Calculate button at the bottom of the screen. A maximum of 4 coils will be returned for review based around the specifications you entered. You can use the check boxes on the left to select your desired coils and click the Save button. Now back to the Schedule page, you can make changes or click on the Submittal button to complete this project. From this screen, you can select what items you would like in the submittal by checking or unchecking the boxes and generate your submission. If you do not already have them enabled, you will need to allow pop-ups for the site and move forward to receive your document. Once you have completed these steps, your packet will be ready, but remember to click the Save button so it gets downloaded to your computer. This packet will include everything you chose from the previous web page. The first page is a cover page and a summary of all the coils saved in this packet. Pages 2 through 5 give the predicted heat transfer capacity and pressure drops based on the previously specified operating condition in the selection interface. Pages 6 through 9 will be the dimensional drawings. You can contact Turbotec Sales and Marketing if different ports and brackets are desired. The last page is the product warranty for all the coils. Keep in mind, you can always review saved projects from the initial interface. Thank you for watching.